What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Guys, we're a little out of our element today, and I had a lot of guys ask. They wanted to see the Bronco in the background, so today we get to see it and we get to figure out how to get a 351 back in this thing. Should be fun. Yeah, so I say fun in all sarcastic manners of the word. She looks pretty though.
Not too bad.
Yeah.
It's fresh.
Fresh Windsor, got some headers on it. Gotta have full racing valve covers, I guess.
Say that's sarcastic.
No, none whatsoever. So yeah, this is gonna be fun. Bill, you ready for this?
I'm ready.
Okay, I hope so. This is gonna be fun, but luckily we got the crane, which is about the only way you're getting the damn engine up in this big old bish. Either way, we gotta get this thing done. Bill, we need you to climb in there and just catch it as it comes out.
Put it in my hand.
Yeah, just
Alright, need to roll the truck.
Yeah, we
Backwards. Get that side going.
got you. Alright, here we go. Ah, crap. I gotta, hold on.
Which way you need to go, Jim?
Towards the truck.
I'm gonna pull the truck. We ain't got far though. We got a 4 valve in the way. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'm gonna have to roll the truck up a little bit.
We'll start it there.
Yeah.
What's it hitting over there?
That motor.
That
We
motor.
rolled the truck forward, so.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think you got the brake on.
Why the hell don't we use this every time? This is kind of awesome.
I don't have the hood off every time.
Yeah, true. Yeah.
It depends on what you're doing. You know.
Yeah.
Probably for now.
Oh yeah. Nothing to it. He's gonna have to come back a little bit.
There on the frame. Did that so the trans would go in easier. Probably gonna have to jack. Yeah, I gotta jack the trans.
I think we're right on the motor mount, too.
Need a block.
See, Bill, you did good. You caught it, man.
We'll see. It's an extra unit strength.
What if I could roll it back and forth? Yeah.
Yeah, I probably need a block. There's one more next time.
This works.
The real probably done.
Yeah, they are. He called on the go.
She bolted down.
I gotta go pick him up.
Want some
Did you say ribs?
Ribs.
Hell yeah, I want some ribs.
Go get them. Go get them. They ready?
Where are they?
Yep.
He cooked 2 shoulders.
Oh,
ribs,
damn.
chicken.
They sitting on the grill.
What the hell we doing fooling with this Windsor for then?
Yeah, you tell me.
We need to go get
I
some
don't need
ribs.
more food with it.
Yeah, I know. Alright, scrape that gasket off. This ain't gonna be officially Somewhat, well, it's officially bolted in.
Did go quick.
Oh yeah, nothing to it but to do it.
Oh, I gotta get up here.
Yeah, it's a little hot. Boy. There it is. Yeah. And it. That pretty blue intake matches the paint. Okay. All right, boys. That's pretty much gonna wrap this one up. Done what we needed to do today. I'm telling you, you guys that work on lifted trucks all the time, you have my respect. Without this thing, it wasn't happening. Unless we took the front wheels off and set it on the ground. Put the old Windsor in there. Looks good. Alright guys, so there is the Bronco Windsor. It's installed. Hopefully getting out of here soon because we need the room. Guys, we'll have a update coming on the Marauder. Lots of progress on the Marauder coming very soon, as well as everything else in here. So guys, I appreciate you watching. Hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please drop me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. Catch you on the next one.